Xentris is basically a packaging house, and we package and we sell, distribute wireless accessories for some of the major wireless phone companies and carriers throughout the nation.
At Xentris in Chicago, Richard and his team send out thousands of accessories each and every day. Although it's the last step in the process, sealing the package is crucial.
It's very important that it's all stays together throughout the packaging process to final destination. About a year and a half ago, one of our major customers came to us. They wanted us to look into sealing our clamshell packaging, as we call it, to correct that and to prohibit any theft and pilferage from happening.
With the customer's needs in mind, Richard and his team set out to find a solution that was safe, wouldn't impact their throughput, would be cost-effective to install and maintain, and was flexible enough to meet their requirements. Dymax seemed to have the answer.
We decided to go with the UV process for several different reasons. First off, safety. Secondly, the flexibility of the UV sealant and the application that we use allowed us to use, as I said before, the 3 different clamshells that we currently use, and we could run any of them on the same line and just run them under the same conveyor. Went with Dymax because of their reputation for what they had done previously.
From the beginning, Dymax helped the Xentris staff ease into the new UV packaging process by installing a small conveyor system.
Initially we had a 12-inch fusion conveyor as kind of a test, and Dymax was very kind to us that they were able to give us a 1-for-1 swap out with 100% buyback. And once we did that and we went to the larger piece of equipment, Dymax actually came here and they helped us with the 3rd piece of machinery. Dymax came up with the idea of a clamshell, a hold-down device on our 2nd clamshell that basically eliminated additional labor and therefore saved us quite a bit of money. And that allowed us to continue the process that we were doing and keep up the volumes.
With the new process, the Xentris team unpacks the merchandise, then places each piece into a clamshell. As the clamshell moves down the conveyor, a drop of Dymax adhesive is applied to each package. The clamshell then passes under the clamping device into the UV curing conveyor, where it is instantly cured. The sealed packages are then boxed up for shipment. The whole process is fast and efficient.
We're very pleased. Where we were using an additional 6 to 8 people previously, and it was not only labor-inducive, it also actually slowed the line down. But now with the clamping device, we literally just throw the clamshells on the conveyor. It runs under the clamping device and it holds them closed. It allowed us to get more throughput on the end of the line. Between 1,500 to 2,000 more pieces a day, which in our business is a tremendous amount.
It's really simple. I mean, it's really easy to turn it on and everything. I mean, all you do is just put the product and the machine do all the job. I don't think there's another machine that can do that, what Dymax machine does.
With their production capacity at full tilt, Fernando's team maintains a throughput of about 18,000 pieces each and every day. Even with their process running smoothly, Richard has stayed in touch with the Dymax team.
If I needed any help, I can contact Dymax at any time. You want to maintain those lines of communication, and you want to stay on the cutting edge of anything that's out.
At Xentris, Richard and his team have discovered the most efficient, safe, and cost-effective way to seal their theft-proof packaging, and it's a Dymax solution.